Hi again. We are in this moment with Rob Hoffman. Rob is the CEO of the Become a Better Trader. Is this correct? Okay. So we was in an interesting conference. We are speaking with Hasim. We are speaking with. I was speaking with him before. The guy who was speaking.
Yeah, Tarek.
Correct. And you was speaking about the different strategies to operate in Forex. Okay. What is your favorite strategy?
Well,
why?
Yes. So, just as I taught in the class this morning, the presentation here, my favorite strategy is to identify a trend, which I usually use like a 20-period exponential moving average, looking at it over the last 20 periods. So whatever time frame you're looking to trade, because I trade intraday, so 2-minute chart, 1 minute, 2 minute, and above on an intraday basis. Most of my trades on an intraday basis are executed on 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute charts, but my strategies apply just as much, if not more, to swing trading. So for daily charts and weekly charts. So I look for a trend with a 20-period exponential moving average. If you use a moving average anywhere between 19 and 21 periods, it's okay. Then what I like to do is look for a pullback within the trend. And this morning I shared the strategy in the conference with my settings that I like to see people start with for like the stochastic to identify those short-term pullbacks. So in an uptrend, I want the market to pull back, find value, and start to go back up again. In a downtrend, I want the market to be up or start down and then pull up and then short the market for another trend down. So I'm a trend trader looking for a value area to buy in an uptrend or a value area to sell in a downtrend. This way, because too many traders, they'll take a trade at the worst possible time. So many traders say, Rob, no matter what happens, right when I get into a trade, it always goes the other way. I lose money and then it comes back down. So I developed a strategy that waits for that pullback. So you don't get in here, you wait till it pulls back, then you get in, and then look to move with the market for the next move down or up.
Great. You tell something very interesting. For me, it was very curious when you say this one is not as a casino.
That's right.
Yes, of course, because you don't go to compare the casino to participate in Forex or in trading. Okay? Yeah. So why do you say that? Because many people say that maybe it's working on it, and maybe suddenly they have a look, and that is not true.
Yeah, so what the problem is, because of a lot of the advertising and the marketing in the business of trading by a lot of people, they're selling people that you're going to make a lot of money very fast. And it's like in the health industry. These days, it used to be, hey, work out for an hour a day and you'll be healthy. Then somebody comes out and sells on the late night marketing show, 30 minutes and you'll be healthy. Now they got these big built people, the beautiful models, the handsome men, and they say 5 minutes of abs and you're going to be beautiful. Everybody wants it easy and they want it fast. So the problem is with a lot of the marketers in this business, they sell easy and fast. The problem is that appeals, and understandably, that appeals to gamblers. I want fast money. I want real quick money. So the problem is a lot of people come to trading expecting I'm going to come in and put some money in and make lots of money really fast. And the reality is, for most people, that's not how it works. Trading is like a new job. It takes time and effort to learn the job.
As any job.
Yeah, it's like any job. But people want to come into trading and say, I know how, I've got it, it's okay. And then they lose money. And so So it's almost like a bad employee that comes in and says, I know how to do my job, and then they do a bad job. So the problem is the casino, that so many people, because trading, when you put on a trade and you go buy the market to go long or sell the market to go short, it's exciting because once you put that trade in, now there's these adrenaline and these body chemicals that get you all excited. You're hoping that you're going to win, you're going to make money, and so when you put the trade on, you're like, go. It's like at a casino. You pull the slot machine, and when it's going around spinning, come on, and so the problem is, but during the trade, they're excited. Come on. So they trade. The reality, real trading, is actually sitting there treating this as a profession, not a game. It's not funny. It's a job, and you treat it very serious. So what you're doing is, most of the time, professional trading is waiting for all of your strategies to come into alignment to increase your probabilities of success. Gamblers, like in Las Vegas, United States casinos, some of the strategies only have a 45, 48, 49% potential of winning. And so the casinos make millions and millions of dollars because they've always got the edge. I don't like to take a trade unless I have at least 80 to 90% probability. Really high probabilities on my trading strategies. So I wait for the right trade so that I have a very high probability. A gambler comes in, nope, buy, sell. And so this is why I try to really impress upon people, because of all the marketing that's out there about get rich quick, get healthy fast. You got to work at it. Just like losing weight, I could use a few pounds. Just like losing weight, it takes time, it takes effort, it takes commitment. And trading is the same way. It takes time, effort. You have to invest in your education. You can't just roll the dice. It's not a casino.
I understand that your company is focusing in education too.
Yes. So what I do is, as you know, I've won 25 trading competitions around the world. So I like to go out there and say, look, I know there's a lot of marketing about trading. I'm not going to tell you it's easy. What I will show you is I do trade, and I've won a lot of trading competitions against top traders in the world. And so what I have, I think, is valuable. And I'd love for you to come see me, but I'm going to show you that I actually trade. So that's why I do these competitions around the world, to trade. By trading with some of the best, like Tarek, who you just saw before, it keeps me sharp. It keeps me at my best. And then, in turn, I have my company, which, because I didn't have a Rob Hoffman, I didn't have a mentor to help me. So I spent probably 10, 12 plus years struggling that I didn't need to spend had I had a Rob Hoffman to help me. So I try to be that person now that I didn't have when I was to other people that I didn't have when I was younger. And so I do have a company where I focus on what people can either come watch me trade live, or if they have a full-time job, they could buy online courses that they can watch and learn the markets. Because as you saw in the conference, I made it very clear that I think it's actually great if people have either a full or a part-time job and then kind of trade on the side. Start small, have a job, because having the job, you have a little bit of money coming in. If you lose 50 or 100 euros, it's okay. I have money coming. If you don't have a job, then all of a sudden it's like, I can't lose that money, and it causes you to make bad decisions, and then things go from bad to worse, and next thing you know, you have no money, no job, and this could cause...
And it's a coaching too.
It's what?
In your academy,
yes.
You made a coaching too for the people people?
Sure, yeah. So I'm trying to be a mentor and a coach to people. That's correct. So there's different ways for people to learn from me, whether it's my live trading room to watch live trading, whether it's through the courses so they can do it in their own time that's comfortable, and then other people fly around from the world to come spend 5 days with me. So I have many different types of opportunities, and then I fly to like investment firms that have me come speak to their clients. I'll do that as well. Or like here, this wonderful conference.
How many years do you have working in this sector?
Oh boy, well, probably 20 plus years of trading. Yeah. And I've been learning the market since I was a teenager. So I'm now 46 years old. I started learning the markets when I was 15 years old and studying the markets, not trading, but studying the markets. I always loved charts. I read the Wall Street Journal, Investor Business Daily. I was just kind of a weird kid. But look, here now I've spent 2/3 of my life understanding the markets, and look where I'm at. I came to a wonderful place in my career, and now I'm able then to help other people, and so it's an exciting time.
Rob, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very interesting.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.